Alright guys, so I'm here. Andrew, you guys remember Andrew?
Yo.
We did his, what was it, 10-minute video, right? Building the Civic in 10-minute video.
Yeah.
And that was blown and I was back, all back together. And just looks, I don't even know how to explain it. Like look at the valve cover. Look at the engine bay. So he put the whole motor back together. Obviously he powder coated. It's powder coated, right?
So all the brown is powder coated.
And then this was just sprayed.
The
base
green
spray
is like auto body paint with a custom pearl in it.
Yeah, so this thing looks insane. So the valve cover, did the mounts, did the alternator bracket, did the turbo housing. Oh, there goes my pants. Oh no, thank God they already ripped. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so he did the dizzy cap and everything. This thing looks amazing. And so tomorrow I'll explain to you guys more about when we go pick up the new motor and the plans. But yeah, my life is over because now he's gonna make me do all of this. I'm gonna take my bay to get professionally painted just like this. Valve cover, powder coated also. And we're gonna throw some pearls in it, right? So throw some.
Yeah.
We're gonna throw some pearls in it.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna do the bracket, so.
We like our pearls.
Yeah, man. So I guess here goes nothing. It's gonna take me a little while though, but I'm gonna end up doing the bay when like once the motor's done, and we can literally just like swap it out, or maybe before that, maybe before the swap is done, like right when the swap is maybe like about to be done.
Try to, like anticipate it.
Yeah, we'll try to we'll just drop it one
when
day.
the car comes back from the body shop, you just slap the motor and start putting everything
so we'll probably
together.
drop it like 2 weeks before. This is gonna take months because I wanna handle some business first, and then and he already knows everything we're gonna do. So tomorrow we pick up another motor. We're gonna pick up another whatever. I don't even want to tell them. Just tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna go pick up a motor in the morning. The motor doesn't run. The motor is seized, but it's okay because we have to. We're gonna build it anyway. We're gonna fill the build from top to bottom. But Andrew came out crazy. So you guys haven't seen his car in what's it been like a couple months already since summer.
October was the last time, and then it just kind of domino affected. Like
yeah, he was like, y'all want to paint the bay? We was just joking around, and he was like, I paint it.
I bought the new Ultra manifold.
Oh yeah, check this out. So you got a K-series manifold. So to run this, you gotta run a
K-series fuel rail.
Yeah, so all of this is K-series, but to make this fit, you gotta run. Yeah, you gotta run an adapter plate. Sort of, it's basically the same thing like people do with the two JZs. I forgot what manifold they run, but they run.
I upgraded to the 3-inch charge pipe instead of 2.5 now.
So you had 2.5 before, right?
Yeah, everything was 2.5. So the reason why I wanted to do this is so I can.
You like it, officer? You like it? I'll trade you.
I can run the 3-inch charge pipe, and it's supposed to help.
And
with
it's
the
polished.
heat
It's polished too.
I actually got this clear coated from the powder coater.
Oh, that's
so
what
it's never gonna fade.
Yeah, that looks good.
Cause I'm not about to sit here and start polishing all day. You know what I mean?
This thing came out freaking amazing. This everything.
I got the new
this
wire
is so.
works.
Wait, you just did this, right? This is what you were telling me about.
All the
This is
braided
old.
vacuum
I
line.
never seen this. That's
This is
crazy.
all braided vacuum line.
Man.
So you don't see most of it anymore because I ran it all in the car. But look, even from the wastegate,
Yeah,
I mean the blow-off valve.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah,
You know what
it
I'm
does
saying?
look. Actually, it does look good like that too.
It's nice and nice and form fitting. But I got the rye wire harness now.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. So he actually
It cleaned up everything
he
real
got
nice.
the harness for my boy Fluff. He actually got it for super cheap too. That looks way better.
I just did a little modifications for it to fit my car.
And look, let me see this. And look how this thing just like. Look at that. That thing just looks crazy. It's just like the pearls and the sparkles and the valve cover is insane. He also got this. What is this? This is a turbo guard. But you say you put some like 10-minute light to it and it starts glowing. It'll probably glow a little bit. Yeah, you can see it's a little bit. So if you glow you charge the whole thing and it'll glow for 8 hours. Like this thing is crazy. Yeah, you get the point. Look at that.
That should look good in the camera.
Yeah, it does. You see you can literally see it. Look. Yeah, but he went crazy. Nothing. Cost still the same. Just this. All of this just changed.
Actually, with the rebuild, I had to bore it over 1 millimeter to clear up the damage.
Oh yeah, we didn't even talk about that because the pistons went again and scarred the.
I went with the same compression, but they're 88 mil now. So it should push a lot more air. New bearings, refreshed everything, new water pump. You know what I mean? I just refreshed everything underneath the car.
He was like, what, $500,000 over from having to get rid of it, right?
So the max I can run is 88 on the street, he told me. But since this is iron linered, I could have sent it to him and he could have popped out the liners and put in new liners for me. But he said 88 is straight. Like, it's good to run on the street, so
a little bigger pistons, but she's running. Now we just gotta go next week and get it tuned.
okay.
Now he going for big boy numbers now.
I put the flex fuel sensor now.
Oh yeah, so now he's on E85. Well, he's gonna be on E85 and pump, so he's gonna tune it on both. And you know, his majority of the time he's gonna be on E85, but when he can't get E85, he's gonna go fill up on a 93, and he can still hit it and do everything.
Us Brooklyn people, man, we got it hard, man. There's no E85.
Yeah, we have like probably right here in this area is like probably 2, because there's one right here in Pennsylvania, and then one all the way in.
Yeah, but for me, I'm 30 minutes away from here.
Yeah. You in downtown Brooklyn, yeah.
So for me, the closest one is Gas Sale on Woodhaven.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one with me and Huli pass by. Yeah, by the cemetery. It's like right across from the cemetery. And you can also hop on right here. Yeah, and then we have the one in JFK also.
JFK, yeah.
But still, it's like, you know, that's why I don't really want to do my car in E85, but
flex fuel, man.
Yeah.
Flex fuel.
But he's good though, cause he has everything it takes to get that power. So he's definitely gonna need it. Skunk to manifold makes it look even better. All this looks good.
So I was actually worried because this is an H2B with no adapter plate. So the motor sits straight. I'm worried that when I put this manifold,
I was gonna hit the
and look how close booster. That is, dog.
Damn.
Yo, I cleared it by literally like a quarter inch.
Yeah,
that is.
You would have just had to like notch it off a little bit. It would have been okay to notch it off a little tiny bit.
Yeah, I would have notched the brake master if I had to.
Yeah, or even just that right. Yeah, yeah, you're right.
Bro, I'm not notching a $700 manifold.
Damn, that thing is good though.
But you see how like the old manifold came up here? You know what I mean?
Yeah, it looks
like
better though.
Like our style.
Yeah.
It looks. Now since it's tucked, like all this firewall is exposed.
Yeah,
like,
it looks way better with the with the K series one. Yeah, now my man's got music in his car too now. Yeah, not much. It's a regular street car. Let me see how these tires are, cause
205/50.
yeah, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go with the.
And I got a 3mm spacer in the rear.
I'm probably gonna go. I don't know, man. I don't know if I should get the R888s or get the Zennies I got.
I mean, the way you don't drive your car like that, I would get the Zennies. Yeah, you can always get the AAAs later on. Just get it. You know what I mean? Think about it. Ready for this?
That's how this sounds. I'm gonna have to upgrade my music now too. Alright, so we literally came to a gas station just so you guys can see how this thing looks. Like when the light hits it, this shit is just insane. Bro. Now you guys can see like the sparkles and all that. The mount bracket. Damn, Drew. I'm gonna have to do the same.
This could be you, man.
It is gonna be me. I'm gonna have to. Damn, man. Now I gotta.
One step at a time, buddy.
Now I gotta get rid of the rattle can and put it to this. I mean, whatever. It is what it is. It's gonna look good. So it's gonna be the final step. This is gonna be the final step on mine.
Bro, and you see it. I didn't even shave the bay. I didn't do
nothing,
man.
I'm not gonna shave it because I know people shave it, but a lot of these holes you can always use it from other stuff.
Bro, I don't. Like, you know what I mean? The car looks good the way it is, man. I don't.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get a probably. If I don't get another bunk for mine, I'll probably just get a cash can just like this. Remove the battery, put it in the back. Fuse box, same thing. Damn, man, this thing looks fucking good.
Lately I've been feeling like a renegade. Somebody save me. Standing in the midst of the crowd, but nobody sees me. Shouting at the top of my lungs, but nobody hears me. All in the name of love. Look what you made me. I've been praying for the rain to fall. Watch me
guys enjoy the little clips. I ain't a cinematic person, but this thing just looks too good. Then next week we go tune.
Yes,
We're gonna go to Morris on Friday. So you know I'm gonna be there. I'm trying my best to be there. I should be there. So see, she made. Let's say it was a few ponies away from 600 last time. So she's trying to go for the big boy numbers now. Yeah, man. I don't even know what else to say, man. This car is just beautiful. Well, I just keep getting more and more ideas for mine. So when the time comes, you can thank this guy right here.
Bro, you can thank white boy, man.
There's one person just keeps passing it down.
Yeah, it's just, bro, it's like a drug.
Yeah, but I think once we get everything situated, so I'm gonna start getting pieces, and then like we said, once the motor's already about to be done, take my motor out, and then take everything off, and take it to his guy, have him spray it, powder coat, do everything, bring it back, drop in the motor, and we're good to go. So we're about to head back to my block because it is probably like 20 degrees, and I just wanted to do a quick video.
Yeah, it's cold.
On my man's car right here because next week we're gonna dyno it. So just to put you guys up to speed on what the car has been through. And basically, new set of piston rods. No, same rods, right?
Same rods, new bearings, new water pump.
Yeah. So
new manifold. Refreshed everything.
now it's capable of doing more than it did before because obviously bigger pistons, bigger manifold. So yeah, I'm about to head back to the house. Yes, and then he got some fucking, what is it called? Like like $1,400, something like that.
The ID 1700X.
Yeah, so they have like, what is it, like a titanium insert or something like that?
It's stainless steel on the inside for
This guy wants to get every fucking expensive part. So basically, it doesn't get rusted or it doesn't get corrosion or anything inside of the injector.
Nothing can stick to it. So
yeah, because 85 is real, like it's real corrosive on fuel lines and everything too. So, but tomorrow we're gonna pick up the camera in the morning, pick up the swap, and then me and Drew are gonna talk about the build plans. And yeah, I mean from here it's all fucking downhill for me. It's all downhill for me, man.